Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper, a versatile kitchen gadget that can save you tons of time in food prep. Whether you're chopping veggies, shredding cheese, or making a quick salsa, this machine does it all. Stay tuned as we test it out, explore its features, and see if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Let's start with a quick overview of the Hamilton Beach food processor. It comes with a 10-cup capacity bowl, perfect for large batches of food. The powerful 450-watt motor can handle tough ingredients with ease, from carrots and potatoes to cheese and nuts. The stainless steel blades are durable, ensuring quick and consistent chopping, slicing, and shredding. Plus, the large feed chute means you won't spend time pre-cutting veggies, you can just toss them right in. Now, let's see the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper in action. First, we're going to chop some onions. With just a few pulses, look how evenly chopped they are, no more watery eyes. Next, let's slice cucumbers. The stainless steel disc slices them perfectly for salads in seconds. Now for the shredding test, we'll shred some carrots for a coleslaw mix. Quick, easy, and no mess. For sauces and dips, the puree function works like a charm. Here, we're making a fresh tomato salsa, smooth and perfectly blended in less than a minute. One of the best features of the Hamilton Beach food processor is how easy it is to use. The simple control panel offers 2 speeds and a pulse option for precision control. Assembly is also a breeze, just snap the bowl into place, add your blade, and you're ready to go. And when it comes to cleaning, the removable parts are dishwasher safe. No more hand washing a ton of pieces after cooking. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this food processor. On the plus side, it's super affordable for a 10-cup capacity, and the powerful motor handles almost any task you throw at it. It's also compact enough to fit easily in most kitchens, without taking up too much counter space. On the downside, while it's perfect for everyday use, it may not be ideal for super heavy-duty tasks like kneading dough. But for chopping, slicing, and pureeing, it's a fantastic option. So, there you have it, the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper is a reliable, budget-friendly option that can speed up your food prep and make cooking a lot more enjoyable. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile food processor, this one is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check out the links in the description below for more info and where to buy the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper.